Well, the Water Board is adamant on increasing water tariff, but the government is doing all it can to stall the hike. The board has now come up with a new set of tariffs in a hope to get the sanction for the hike that they have been battling for.
It was bad news for everyone soon after elections, with hike in bus fares and electricity tariff. Sensing competition, the Water Board too stepped into the fray and decided to hike water tariff. Citing numerous reasons, the Water Board has been adamant that they need the hike in tariff to sustain the ever-increasing expenditure of the board. After having incurred heavy losses in the past, the Water Board wanted the tariff to be hiked by at least 40%. The board even submitted a proposal in this regard to the state government. But the state government played it safe by transferring the responsibility of tariff hike back to the Water Board. Despite this, a meeting was called and it was decided to submit a new set of tariff, but then again it was disappointment for the Water Board, since the government has yet again sent the proposal back for re-examination. Seeing no way out of this rut, the Water Board has come up with two options and will be submitting the same to the state government for approval. The new tariff will see a hike of 50% for domestic users and 20% for commercial users. They've also stated that if the tariff is not approved, they would reduce the quantity of free water that is being given at the moment.
With the minimum charge being 48 rupees, the rate per 1000 litres is 6 rupees now, which would increase to 9 rupees per 1000 litres if the tariff is hiked by 50%. The new tariff will be 13 rupees and 50 paise per 1000 litres as compared to the old rate of 9 rupees for consumption between 8,001 to 25,000 litres. The new tariff will be 22 rupees and 50 paise as opposed to 15 rupees for consumption between 25,001 to 50,000 litres. The new tariff for consumption between 50,001 to 75,000 litres will be 45 rupees per 1000 litres as compared to the old rate of 30 rupees per 1000 litres. And anywhere above 75,000 litres of consumption will see a hike from 36 rupees per 1000 litres to 54 rupees per 1000 litres.
The proposed hike has left many surprised, since commercial usage will see a lesser hike compared to domestic use.
The rate per 1000 litres is 36 rupees now, which would increase to 43 rupees per 1000 litres if the tariff is hiked by 20%. The new tariff will be 47 rupees per 1000 litres as compared to the old rate of 39 rupees for consumption between 10,001 to 20,000 litres. The new tariff for consumption between 20,001 to 40,000 litres will be 53 rupees per 1000 litres as compared to the old rate of 44 rupees per 1000 litres. Consumption between 40,001 to 60,000 litres will go up to 61 rupees from the current rate of 51 rupees. The new rate for consumption between 60,001 to 1 lakh litre will be 69 rupees per 1000 litres compared to 57 rupees earlier. For consumption above 1 lakh and 1 litres, the new tariff will be 72 rupees per 1000 litres, 12 rupees more than the old rate.
As the second option, the board plans to reduce 2,000 litre supply from each slab, thus registering an extra income of 12 to 15 crore rupees without the hike in tariff.
We are lifting daily, we are supplying lifting 1290 mld of water from the 100 kilometers away from the Bangalore by lifting up a 500 meters at 3-stage pumpings. For that we required power charges about 37 to 40 crores every month. So we are receiving the around 55 crores revenue as on today. In that we are maintaining the administrative charges and salaries to the employees and no loss no profit we are running it. To take up the capital works, the revision of tariff is very essential.
It now remains to be seen if the state government will implement either of the two options or will return the proposal asking for another review. Anand Burli for News 9, Bengaluru.